my first attempt of the SIG. Problem is I got fans out here, my cousins, they're all videotaping, so I gotta make sure I'm safety here. The 2022, my 40 cal, see what happens. It's already been chambered in one. I'll go for the big still target. Rounds go by real quick. Problem is I wasn't used to the single action. The first two, it's like the long trigger pull for the first one, and that short is like I thought I missed speed or something, but just wasn't pulling quite back far enough. But not too bad for a 40. We'll see what happens next. That's the cheaper hooks that I have. Here comes the big boy, 10 mm. Rounds of 10 M&M Glock. I guess it was more than 10 rounds.
14.
All right, I'm shooting my cousin's Boy and Blues Glock 10 millimeter for the first time. Never shot a 10 mil, so see what happens. It's a big gun. Big grip. Yeah, that's some kick, little nice kick compared to my 9 mil and this 40. Yeah, those brass shells you can pick out a lot easier with the sun beating down on it. Oh. Almost. Good. Bingo.
It's good stuff.
Huh?
It's good. I like that.